The other possibility is to take to the roads on two wheels. Lock up the car, even better, sell it, and invest in a bike to get you to work. You'll get plenty of fresh air, you'll exercise muscles you last used years ago, and you'll be able to cut through the traffic jams like a hot knife through butter. Mind you, if, like me, you last sat on a bicycle saddle 15 years ago, the streets of Cardiff at rush hour are not the best place to start learning again. As a bike rider, you'll also be a good citizen, conserving our national energy stocks at the expense of your own and causing no pollution. But all is not well in the two-wheel world. A petition has just been sent to the County Council, signed by 400 cyclists. They say that the latest transport policy does not go far enough on behalf of the cyclist and want a network of cycle routes. Present plans are for some routes next year, but a cycle trail through Castle Park is not planned for another 5 years. I asked one of the petitioners, Ernie Singer, how dangerous it was to cycle in Cardiff.
It's not dangerous once you're on the road and moving at a reasonably stable way. It's when you start wobbling all over the road, as young children are especially apt to do, that there is a danger introduced.
Now, one of the suggestions you've made is for a 2-mile-long cycle trail out of the city centre to the north, and that, according to one estimate, would cost about £120,000. Now, that seems very expensive for a few cyclists.
It is relatively expensive, but that's almost a one-time provision. The cyclists do not. The vehicles are lighter. They don't wear down the road as much as cars and trucks do. The land we proposed to work on was all owned by local authorities, so there was no cost in buying it. People were displaced from their homes for the purpose.
Who are you suggesting should foot the bill for this cycle trail?
I think it should be with the county. They themselves don't agree, of course.
Cycling in a city like Cardiff obviously does have its advantages, particularly on a day like this. It's cheap, it's good exercise, and you do have the edge in traffic jams. But with the kind of traffic congestion that Cardiff has, it can at times be a death-defying experience. For me, I think I'll stick to the security of 4 wheels.